My name is Kelly Tavares and I am a tour guide in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I have a background in arts education and I'm a specialist in art and cultural aspects of the city since I'm also a qualified tour guide in town. This tour is for those who want to connect with my culture, with the culture of people in Brazil, and also learn about diverse things that you can get out of what we can offer, which is related to beautiful street art, nice landscapes, and also amazing musical, lively, dynamic culture being shared for you live.
Responsabilidade na minha comunicação, na minha rima composta, discreta, não tem seta, mas na certa te guia numa boa direção. Eu vou lembrando do pandeiro que tem um balanço maneiro, respeito o samba, eu sou mais partideiro, swing brasileiro da terra de São Sebastião.